Hi, so to figure out what's going on here, basically what you want to do is do right click, click on inspect, and you should see this crop up. Now you should go to this tab console, right? And then this basically just gives us information about what exactly is erroring out. Um, so I just need you to screenshot, once you refresh, just screenshot this area, so we can see any error should come up here. The other thing to do would be to go here. If you don't see anything that looks maybe like an error, you usually see it with like a red icon. Please send us a screenshot of this section right here, which is the network request going on. And just screenshot this area right here. You should see something like this, which is basically us getting the information for your company. And then that's basically all we need, and hopefully we can figure out what's going on with your system. Any questions, let me know. We're here for it the rest of the day.